Okay, so next step, take the timing chain off, and you can't really see that. Move that light over. Hey, it does need a timing chain. Never put your fingers in between the chain and the guide, because once in a while the tensioner will move and it really sucks pulling the skin off your fingers. 8mm. Oh, feels like this one's just about wore out. Not gripping very well anymore. But this here cobalt, is that a cobalt? Yeah, it's cobalt. Has lasted 3 times as long as the snap-on one I had when I started out, which is really sad. It's off to work we go. And pee on the floor. Perfect. That's not going to be the worst of things on the floor soon. It's going to be coolant. Maybe me. Freaking sinuses are swollen like crazy. Freaking cam lock tool. Yeah, it's either really close or really far. And judging by the fact that I don't see any dots, we are 180 degrees out. Because the dot is right there and right there. So let's fight the compression a little bit. Yeah. Let's see, is this one close? Oh, it's like right on the money. I didn't even try that hard. Oh, it's right there. Perfect. Didn't even try that hard. Yeah. Next step. Because we went right on the money and dropped cams right in. I don't think I need to remove that, but we're gonna give her a go anyway. We got tensioners anyway. Well, I guess it's not really an assembly. It's just a tensioner. Lots of spring pressure, which is good. Means it was trying to work, but it didn't work. In this particular case, it is not my job to find out why it didn't work. It's just change it. I will change it. Slip on my socket. Oh, dropped the bolt. Dropped the bolt. Oh yeah. Gotcha. Oh. We're gonna lay these all out today. that looks pretty good. Just doesn't work anymore. I do have to take these gears off. Do I got new bolts? I have new bolts, but I don't know if those are going to work. Oh, what are we again? 50? 45? Well, 40, 45, somewhere in there. Somebody been in here before. Or is it a T55X? I don't have one of those. I think somebody reused these bolts already. So it shouldn't be quite that tight. Smack these guys around, apparently. Yeah, they're all loose stuff. Oh. That's out. That's out. Put you back on the ratchet. Huh. Okay. Well, you stay there then. But these gears are coming with me. Come on. Come on, there. There we go. Oh, that might have been Final Fantasy that one's from. Do 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 do. Okay. Water pump is next. So let's grab a bucket and move my other flashlight out of the way. No, Ford.
Yeah, I know.
Same thing.
I did change.
Yeah?
Yeah.
They're fun. They're not terrible.
But
Not as bad as Ford
I
Flex.
did change pump, but I did no torque.
Oh, no chain?
Yeah.
Oh, that was on your Explorer?
Yeah. Look at this.
Yeah, that's the exact same engine, pretty much.
No torque.
Well, that's got to be a couple months ago already, but yeah. Sash, 1 or 2?
Maybe both sides.
I think everybody's used to me having a camera around now. It's only been a year and a half. I spend quite a bit of time actually recording stuff. Still come in under flat rate. I don't spend a whole bunch of time editing stuff. I just don't want to. I just stitch stuff together and I try and cut out the really boring parts. And then let everybody else decide if you want to watch the whole thing or not. Doesn't hurt my feelings any. I'm doing this so that my son has something to watch if he ever gets curious what Daddy does. Oh, you are freaking on there. Got something a little bit sturdier. Really good gasket. I'm gonna fill the oil pan up with coolant. I did drain it already, so I'm gonna drain it again. And hopefully I don't get my strap too wet. Cause this is brand new. Cause it's brand new. Dowels came out. Oh, water pump feels alright. Nope. She's not super great. Okay. As always, I'm not really going to show cleaning, but you can see here, that's where it was starting to weep out. It goes through here and it dumps above the AC compressor behind the alternator. Just this crusty little passage here.